Hi guys, this is Juluca on Mundays Bay. Lauren and I visited here a couple weekends ago, early June 2020 during COVID. Here I'm entering the water right at the main entrance by Sips and Hims. There's a little jetty there that keeps it super calm. Today the water was crystal clear. Kind of just jumped in and I'll work my way up the side edge here, kind of by the restaurant. There's tons of little tropical fish in here, up on the left. Again, I'm only a couple feet in the ocean. I love this place here. This is one of the best spots. So calm. Usually just dunk down, see a bunch of fish. The second Lauren got in at the end of the video, you'll see a huge school of these translucent fish. Spectacular. So, continuing going on the left side, again, kind of by the restaurant. You'll see in a second, you'll see some fish. Little fish in this area, but you'll see a lot of things here. This just happened to be a very clear day. Beautiful with the sun reflecting off the bottom. Back here. Again, this is during COVID, so this is June, I believe like 8th or so, last weekend, and there was just no one, on these beaches. This was Saturday, like noon. And there you go, some small little tropical fish. And this is actually a live reef here. Trying not to get too close to the edge. Sandy ground, road bay in the background, if you can see it. Here we are, just how clear it is. You really can't even tell when you take the camera in and out. It's really, you can barely tell. So again, just swimming around. Not a soul on the beach. Like a swimming pool here. I mean, it's just so stunningly clear. Almost kind of getting a little carried away with the reflection of light. Anguilla, Juluca. This is Mundays Bay. There's a fish right there. It's a beautiful world. I think right now, with the video camera, I was just admiring so much like a swimming pool here. It's truly, see? Barely tell the difference going in and out of the water. Got no one here. There's a little bit of seaweed on the beach. Normally they wouldn't have that. The hotel would usually clean that up. But the best part is, even if the hotels are closed now, and all the beaches here are public, so you have access to all the beaches. It's really unique that any sandy beach here on the island is going to have access to it. You can park and walk down the path to it. Getting a little carried away with the light reflection. let me know in the comments which beach is your favorite. Is it Mundays, Rendezvous, Shoal Bay East, Shoal Bay West, Cove, Little Bay, Cartouche. Oh, here we are, back out. So let me know in the comments below. Give me a like too. So here's more again. Only one's here. So now we're out. Doing what we do best. Load session. That's pretty. Skipping a little bit in this section. Okay, here we go. We're back in the water.
That was so cool.
Having some technical difficulties with the recording here, so I'm just gonna finish this one up and let the rest of the video take you. Again, this is Cap Juluca, Mundays Bay during COVID, early June 2020. Myself and girlfriend Lauren. Yeah, let me know if you have any Anguilla questions. Comment on your favorite beach below. This is Anguilla Adventures, everything adventurous,
Whatever that
everything
was,
Anguilla. And hopefully we'll be open to the public soon. See everyone soon.